Fathers, because their fathers are absent. You gotta respect your mother. You know, your mother carried you 9 months. You know, mother is the provider of life. Respect. Respect, young boy. Respect. Check. Manje qale from eqalekeni kukumambo gama lingunyawonhle umfana khulu ohlala nonina okhula ngaphandle koyise kambolo wakhe ephandelwa ngumama wakhe esemncane bekokosona ngumamakhe sona isixhosa ebesifunda phaa kumamakhe rhoqo yonke imihle bebhesukwa nangumamakhe kodwa kwenzeka kuye yena umama wakhe apha emhlabeni kwanyanzeleka benelihle linye kodwa yena unyana zangafuna nova zangayamkela isituation kamama wakhe wayesoloko emphika emana umgwexa engayiqondi umzali wakhe uyambulala lade lafika ixesha wabhubha umama wakhe washiya incwadi echazayo washiya incwadi echazayo unyane namehlo kungoba wamncamelelakhe kungoba unyana wakhe kukhuleni waswela ilihlo lalinye waza wamncamelelakhe emveni kokunyawonhle wangena kwizono ngenxa yongaqondi wada wasibulala ngokwakhe umazwe indlela ihambayo yena uyihambayo. Listen.